Today I want to speak to you about the COVID-19 coronavirus. I have two main messages. First, take this pandemic deadly seriously. You have to understand the situation in Côte Saint-Luc. Our population has the highest percentage of seniors anywhere in the province. We are a community that congregates through our religious institutions and through the goodness of the people that live in our city. That's not good, not now. Listen to the advice of health authorities. If they tell you to self-isolate for 14 days after returning to Canada, do it. Second, I will discuss what actions the city has taken to keep the public and its staff safe. J'ai deux messages importants. D'abord, cette pandémie est mortelle. Et ici à Côte Saint-Luc, où on a un village avec une population le plus âgée, avec plus de 30% de notre population qui sont des aînés, c'est important d'être très prudent. If we follow the practices of South Korea, Singapore, Taiwan, and Hong Kong, we can minimize the spread. If we delay reacting, which unfortunately happened in Italy, we will run out of ICU beds. In Milan today, physicians are being forced to decide whether to keep someone on a respirator or give it to someone with a better chance of recovery. This is why our governments are closing schools, bars, gyms, and movie theaters. That's why we've closed our facilities to the public. Please listen to the experts. If you're at home, please don't have visitors. When you bring in someone to your home, it's like you're bringing in all the people they've interacted with. Avoid gatherings of any size. À nos institutions religieuses, fermez vos portes. Vous va sauver des vies à notre population ici à Côte Saint-Luc. Si les jeunes viennent à la synagogue ou à l'église, c'est certain qu'il peut porter quelque chose qui est dangereux pour leurs grands-parents. To young people, I urge you to avoid meeting up with your friends. This will save lives. To those who have planned birthday parties or other celebrations, please cancel them for now. This also will save lives. Here are some of the actions we have taken in response to COVID-19. All in favor? Anyone opposed? So it's carried unanimously, and this resolution takes effect immediately. It's good for 5 days. Our intention is to ensure the protection of our neighborhood. As already stated in the resolution, the City of Côte Saint-Luc has very specific demographics. We're a very small territory with high density, with a high percentage, the highest percentage of seniors in our city. We have many more religious institutions operating than any city of our size, hospitals and senior residents, and seniors coming back from abroad. And we want to protect you all, so we're taking these steps, as has been requested by many of the individuals from the religious institutions who need guidance, who have asked for guidance in order to make the necessary hard decisions. And what we are hoping is that this epidemic passes quickly and that the virus is contained, that we find a vaccine, so that the celebrations for all of these important events in individuals' lives will take place. They will take place in the future. We are encouraging staff who can work from home using telecommuting tools to do so as much as possible. For those that cannot, we are introducing more flexible schedules to help them avoid the busiest periods on public transit. Nous augmentons le nettoyage des surfaces utilisées souvent, comme les poignées de porte et les salles de bain. We've closed all of our buildings. The Aquatic and Community Center, swimming pools, gym, library, City Hall, and Public Works. Although the facilities are closed, all urgent operations continue to take place. We will also be asking all residential buildings to close common areas such as pools, fitness rooms, and party rooms. We will send information to seniors residents to ensure they get the information they need. We are encouraging the public to use online services such as paying tax bills through online banking and permit requests using our online permit tool. Staff are available by phone and email and will develop alternative ways to serve the public. City Council meetings are closed to the public and will be available on a live stream and/or a recorded video. The public can ask questions before the meeting at questionperiod@cotesaintluc.org. You can help prevent the spread of all viruses, including coronavirus and other infections, with just a few simple hygiene habits. Wash your hands often with soap under warm running water for at least 20 seconds. Use an alcohol-based hand rub if soap and water are not available. Practice proper cough and sneeze etiquette. Cover your mouth and nose with your arm to reduce the spread of germs. If you use a tissue, dispose of it as soon as possible and wash your hands afterwards. Si vous êtes malade, évitez tout contact avec des personnes plus vulnérables. The good news is, if we take these steps, the cases of new infection will go down. When the vaccine arrives and the population is immunized, we can resume life as it was. But for now, we need to be smart and be safe.